Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth from buymeganelizabeth.com, founder and creator of She Makes Club, and I'm so excited to share what has arrived. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is, if you read the description or if you read the description, you'll see, and I actually posted a couple things about this already because I've been so super pumped that it's here and that it's coming and that it's arrived. And I've shared, I'm going to open this so I can make sure I see your comments because sometimes I miss comments and I hate missing comments. So I want to make sure I see your comments. If you're joining, would you give a little like, a heart, a share? Um, it's always so helpful when you do that. Um, I'm trying to get it to share to our She Makes page because that's awesome. Hey, welcome. Thanks for joining. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Jessica. Okay, so we are live and we're sharing. Okay, so these are little envelopes that have just arrived in my mailbox today. I was so excited because this is sort of it's something that my sister Erin had told me about years ago, and then I had forgotten what it was called, and then I kind of just like didn't look into it again. And then I saw an ad on Instagram. Don't those ads on Instagram always get you? It got me. So I found the link and the thing to what's called Chatbooks. And there's different, I know there's different services out there and there's different things, but I'm 99.9% sure this is the one she was using. It's so easy. I included a link and then a discount code for you to get $10 off because that's how I got started. So reasonable and so cute. Hi, Julie. Thanks for joining. So we're going to open these up live together because I'm just so excited. So what they are essentially are mini scrapbooks. You select up to 30 pictures from a month, and it creates these little mini picture books, and they send them to you every month, and they're so stinking cute. They're like, I don't know, 5 by 5, I want to say. I don't have a ruler and I don't know exactly what size they are. I don't think they're quite 6 inches. I want to say they're 5 by 5. We're going to look through them. I'm so excited about these. I'm literally bursting. And I decided to go ahead and sign up for the year. So an entire year of mini scrapbooks, it's like a little subscription, was like $50. So super reasonable. And then I decided to go back, and the shipping and handling is always free, and it's basically $5 per mini book for 30 pictures inside. I'm going to show you how I did this. Hi, Darlene. Hi, Pamela. I just want to open them all up first. So what I started doing was I signed up for the 2022 remainder of the year. So basically it will auto sort and fill the month and year for you of kind of like what it thinks are your 30 best photos of that month. You can then go in and select what photos that you want. And of course, for me, some months I have more photos and it's hard to select only 30. Hi, Cheryl. And then some months it's like I don't really have 30 pictures that I love because, either there was sickness or there was other things going on. But it's so easy to fill. Oh my gosh, here's July. This is the one I started with. This is the very first one. I'm going back to July 2017. So this was the month that Nate and I started officially dating, and I've gone forward from there. So I'll show you everything. I don't think I have them all yet. Actually, I know I don't have them all yet because I'm kind of going forward as we go, right? So I'm going forward and going backward all at the same time. And I used my coupon code, so I got a bunch of these books for only $4. So this is August 2022. So this is just last month also. So obviously I don't have, 4 years worth. Right? Your first granddaughter, Julie, that's like the perfect thing to use this for, because then they're just these little mini photo books. And I'm going to show you inside of them, but I just want to point something out to you. So even though I'm kind of doing this differently, you can select the colors. See the colors on the back? Probably easier to see the colors on the back. But there's the month and the year are on the front, and then you can organize them by color or year. So I'm picking the colors that I want for each year and being able to like rotate through. So you can pick they'll all have different colors and it'll just be like a rainbow assortment or individual. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I cannot wait. And I should show you guys I'll have to do a video stay tuned to buymeganelizabeth.com if you don't already. I'll do an actual video. Here's July 2022. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. This is so fun. Okay. There's so many here and I don't even have them all yet. Here's April 2018. All right. I gotta get them open so we can get on with it so you guys can take a look. So I have plans with these. So they're nice and small, so I don't feel like I have this big, huge thing that I have to store like my huge albums, even though I think most of you have probably seen my ginormous bookshelf that is full of photo albums. Like this is helping me keep up and have like a mini quick look. I would even consider doing one for each of the kids because they're so reasonable. Well, $5 is like the standard price. But if you use the coupon and everything else, like your first order and everything that I provided below, it's less than $5 a book. May and June. I wanna put these together. And like I said, I'm like back going through. I've like spent not a ton of time because it's so easy. Like literally just back gone through photos and it brings it up. Like I don't have to scroll through and be like, was this March? Was this May? It literally, the app pulls it up to that year and date. And I don't have to scroll through. It automatically does it. It's the easiest app I've ever used in my entire life. So here is, okay, so we have January through July of 2018. We have July through December of 2017. And then we have July and August of 2022. Like I said, I don't even come close to having them all yet. They're coming, but you can see how tiny they are and how cute they'll line up on a shelf. And this is, I mean, this is over a year already. So cute. Just so cute. Okay, so let's take a look through. Let's start backwards. We'll start backwards. I'm not going to show you every single one because, I mean, that'll get a little tedious, I feel like. But let's start in July of 2017. This is the first one that I chose to start with. So this is 4th of July. You choose what cover photo that you want. And then there's different options for inside. So you can do full page options, you can do bordered options, and then you can do like just the square photo, like you would like square it out on Instagram. I chose to do square in all of them because I felt like it gave me enough room that I could write my own notes, thoughts, or captions in the pages, which I really liked the idea of being able to do, even if I put in the date or whatever. There's just like enough of a border that I could write little thoughts or notes or whatever it would be. So all those first few photos were from 4th of July. Like I said, some months it's like really hard to choose and select what and when and how and all of that good stuff, but I just did a variety of different pictures in each one. So like here's VBS. Hi Stephanie. Hi Karen. Okay. And then, oh, like here's, like this was a really big deal. Well, this was a really big deal. This was a check that was given to me on the day that I happened to meet Nate. Like, well, I didn't meet him in real life, but it was like the day we connected on, or was that the day we met in real life? I don't remember. It was like one of those two. And it was such a huge day. So I had a picture of that check and I wrote that at the top, and I still have the check, and I have, I took the picture of it as like a reminder. So different times snuggling with the kids, coffee. I mean, it's not all like big events. It's just like little flip through books. There's my mom's birthday with the kids. Um, to just remember. So you choose up to 30 pictures. Hi, Cheryl. And that's the book. So it's just a great little month recap, which I just think is so cute. So then you can do the entire year. You'll have like all year to like look back and see, okay, here's all of my photo albums for the entire year. So I did that for all of them. So then going forward into like 2018, you don't have to use, like, your first picture does not have to be your cover photo. It just happened to be like that was the beginning of the new year. It's the first photo that I used. kind of thing. But you can choose whatever cover photo you want. It doesn't have to even be a picture that's already in the photo album. So whatever, would work for you guys. This is when we were kind of like setting up the house and getting things kind of organized and figured out. Pictures with my brother out in the barn. I like, again, not all of it is the most I don't know, it's like just your life, right? It's like little quick photo books of your life in a small, easy, digestible format. I just think it's awesome. I just think it's so awesome. So we'll look at August, like a back look at the last month. So there's Graydon and my brother. You can see like there's there. So that photo isn't the cover. It's not the first. The cover is not the first picture. So you really do have customization options with that. But it's up to 30 pictures per album for these mini ones. And they do have different sizes. They actually do have more like hardbound books and albums and things like that. They're a little bit more obviously costly, but they're so inexpensive. And then they have the free shipping. So I feel like sometimes, like even when I do Snapfish, you get the 100 free prints a month, which I use and do often. But then, you're paying the shipping and handling. I love this. And then there's options to skip a month if you want to skip, if you don't want to do the subscription, but obviously you save the most when you do the subscription. So the subscription I feel like is the way to go because then it's literally under $50 for an entire 12 albums. So I love this first day of school and just little things that we could put in there. So I'm so excited. And then they're just like such beautiful, pretty colors too. So being able to line them up, set them up, and then like I said, I will have an album, which I'm still working on putting together, an album for every month starting July 2017 all the way through current and then going forward. And since I have the 2022 through the 2023 subscription, it will automatically fill in little um, albums for me too. So I think that that's like really, really cool too. So I'm just so excited. Like this is exciting. So I wanted to be able to share them with you. I wanted to give you guys the coupon code. Check out the link. I do leave this whatever affiliate link for you because when I signed up and I started getting all of these, I was like, I know that so many of you are going to want to do this too because it's an easy way to get the photos off your phone and into little albums, mini albums, and it doesn't take away from still doing your scrapbooking and the other things that you do. But it's not like it takes you, like literally I did an entire album in under 5 minutes time because it does make it so easy and you just kind of sort, drop, crop if you want to crop and drop it in. And you can add captions in there if you want it to print the captions for you. I want it to be able to like handwrite in like notes or thoughts and things as I go through these. That was like my personal thought process in choosing to, instead of just filling the entire page, because instead of having that white border around the outside, you can just have it be the full photo fills the entire page, which may be preferred for some of you as well. So you have the customization options and they're nice and small little pocket. Hi, Carrie. To go into a basket or how I am about my hidden journaling and telling your story through scrapbooking. It's a way to process life, and sometimes the stories aren't things that you want published. So, like, I like to have that hidden scrapbooking or the hidden journaling in my scrapbook pages. But then this is something that you can have a couple months sitting out on the coffee table or the end table, or just have them all in a basket on the coffee table without taking up a ton of space, but really capturing, oh, this did all happen in that month. And I'll tell you, as I was going through and doing these and looking back over, like I said, I started from the time Nate and I started dating and have gone forward till now and will continue going forward. And I was like, holy crap, like again, like I say it all the time and I know it rationally, but when I was really going through it, I was like, dang, we have been through so much in these last 5 years. Like, we have gone through more in these last 5 years than I know a lot of people go through in a lifetime, between major trauma accidents and sickness and loss and death and grieving and job changes and big career moves and like it's really cool to see how God has continued to work in our life and in our family and has been there as part of each step of the way. And then even to have in there, like, always see God's faithful goodness on really a day that was so pivotal in what I feel like started this journey for us as a family and as a couple. And just unbelievably awesome. So, and even some of them, is it this one? Yeah. So even some of them, I have like a collage picture on the front page. So there's just options to be able to create and make and drop and enjoy. So I hope you'll check them out. It's like I said, it's Chatbooks. I did sign up to become an affiliate. You can use that link. You don't have to use that link. If you do use that coupon code, you get $10 off your first order, and then they have all kinds of specials and other coupons that you're able to use. And I definitely recommend using the app, and I will do a video showing you how to navigate and use the app. Just stay tuned to YouTube, and I'll probably post it here on Facebook as well. It just won't be a live video because I'm using my phone, and I'll need to use my phone to show you how to do it. So I just wanted to show you because these just arrived, and I'm so excited. And I did pay for all of these. Chatbook did not send these to me. These were things that I did have. I got a coupon code. I saw the ad on Instagram, and now you're seeing them from me, and hopefully will enjoy them to tell your story, to preserve your memories, and to have great little keepsakes. These even make great little Christmas gifts, in my opinion, because you don't have to just choose the even though it auto sorts for the month and year, you can override and select any pictures that you want. So if you want to do maybe somebody's graduating from high school or college and you want to pick 30 pictures from maybe their birth and then their first day of kindergarten all the way through their first day of high school or their last day kind of thing. These would make really great gifts for that as well, or grandparent gifts. And at $5, I just feel like you really can't go wrong for telling this story. I've wasted $5 on lattes, so not wasted because I love my Starbucks, but when you really think about it, this is something that is a lasting memory, a lasting part of your story that can be passed down and enjoyed in a lot of different ways. Hi, Nikki. And, we spend that on a cup at Starbucks. So just saying, I think it's really awesome and free shipping. So I hope you guys enjoy the moments today, and I will see you soon over at bymeganelizabeth.com. Come visit us at She Makes Club. I did just post everything about our Stronger September. So we have our live creative workshop that is this Sunday. I did offer the live creative workshop that you can join our scrapbooking workshop, our live encouragement. Hi, Melissa. And you can enjoy not only that, but then also our power prayer workshop that we're going to be doing next week as well. So you can get all of those workshops included in your She Makes Club membership. So just visit shemakes.club/join, and you can become part of all of that, or you can join just for the Stronger September and Power Prayer workshops that are taking place next week. And I posted all that information on the blog at bymeganelizabeth.com. So go ahead and check that out, and I will see you soon. Enjoy the moments. Bye.